Hey everybody, welcome to another trip with the Real Fam. Today we're in Cleveland, Ohio. We stayed at the Drury Plaza Hotel, which is the former Board of Education building. It's not just big, look at the size of the ceilings.
It's like 50 feet tall.
It's huge.
Or probably 8 of me to 40 feet tall. Because I'm 5 foot.
The Drury began preservation and restoration of the building in 2014. It really is a very interesting and unique hotel. Now we're headed down to Heinen's, which is the former Cleveland Trust Company. This grocery store, located in this old bank, is very unique and has an amazing rotunda. We're heading into the rotunda now. The rotunda was featured in the first Avengers movie when Captain America defends the people inside during an alien invasion of New York City.
$4.15 for 3 ounces.
Oh, I see. It pours right out of.
So you just pick
It definitely comes right out of the bottles. Look how it goes down in.
Yeah. You pour what you can do a taste or you can do
And then you could buy a whole bottle of it if you wanted.
Like if you try it and you like it, you can get a whole bottle.
That's cool. The wine tasting stations were very unique. We had never seen anything like it before. Highly recommended. This is 4th Street, which is always very busy and lively. It's a very big restaurant area in Cleveland. It's a little touristy, but it's worth the trip, as it features Michael Symon's fabulous barbecue joint, Mabel's. We usually go to Mabel's, but we have been there so many times we decided to try something different this time. It also features the House of Blues and several different restaurants. This is Bet's Restaurant. It was very busy there. I think there was a wedding going on, so it was hard to get decent footage. It was very noisy. This is an espresso martini, which was wonderful. I had the Schofield burger. Amy had the heirloom caprese salad. And Callie had the vegan Caesar salad. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.